Students with career and E360 questions can now visit ExperienceLink to schedule appointments with the CSPD team. By way of the Symplicity Jobs and Careers mobile app, students can click More at the bottom right hand of their screen, click Counseling Appointment, and then click Request New Appointment. From there, you'll be prompted to choose from a variety of filters to help with your search. At a minimum, we suggest you choose type based on your interests, or if you know the name of the person that you'd like to meet with. Click Check Availability, and from there, you'll be provided with a list of options to choose from. Click the name of the counselor on the date and time that interests you. And from here, you'll confirm your appointment. You'll want to identify your primary goal, and the more information that you can include here, the better, as it will help your counselor prepare for your appointment. You should also select whether or not you'd like to meet in person, by phone, or virtually. And then click Submit Request. You'll scroll to the bottom of your screen to see all of your approved appointments. Students can schedule up to 3 appointments at one time. If you need to cancel, reschedule your appointment, you can do that here. And you can also add the appointment to your Outlook calendar. If you have any questions, you can reach the CSPD at delval.edu or visit us in Siegel Hall on the first floor. Thanks and have a great day.